Hey guys, so welcome back again to our Shapeit channel. So today we're gonna learn this surface modeling, like how to create a kind of a wavy or a flower kind of a design with a very minimalistic feature, which I'm gonna explain you today. So one thing before getting into video, let's create a new part. So from there we're gonna start. If you are new to my channel, just a quick intro. So this is a Shapeit where we were focusing mainly on the SolidWorks design. So I will help you to engage with your good design, which you can see in my studio. I mean, or a profile. So I have created a lot of creative designs, so that have a look on that. Like you also have a playlist, so just visit playlist and to be specific. If you're looking for a sheet metal, 3D print, product designs, all those things like I've been covering. And this is again a kind of a startup, so I'm just working to create more videos. I need your supports. Please do subscribe, and if you are really interested, if you want to share this video to your friends and who is looking for SolidWorks, fantastic, just share with them. And meanwhile, yep, we will get started with our design. So without wasting much time, what I'm gonna do, as you can see there in the thumbnail, the same kind of a flower design which you are gonna create now. So let me change the unit to so today we're gonna see with that. So this is my front plane. I'm gonna try to offset the plane to 100. I'm gonna select OK. So this plane will help us to create a profile of the flower or a wavy, whatever. So the top plane will help us to define our profile. I mean, define the top profile. So let me set up the boundary. So I just want to fix to 198. So what happens is, like, the outer dia could be a 200. So I just want to trim that to make a circular. So I just create a 198. And meanwhile, what I want to do here, I want to create an arc. I don't know, maybe a kind of a center line. This will help me to define an angle 22.5. So I just want to create a 45. So both side, so maybe this could be 45 divided by all the directions. So I just want to create this 25 as it is, and just extend the profile. So now I got that, and I have a plane here which, as said, like, it's 200. So what I will do here, I'm gonna create a line for reference. Yep. So one side I will be creating an arc. Yes, should be like this. And I'm gonna make something like this straight, and then again I'm just going to create some arc. So this time this arc and this line was I was looking, so I just want to create, and this is supposed to be 20 exactly. So this is how I used to define, and same time the profile, it will follow under the same way. And in the back of at the center of this circle, I'm going to create a one line which will connect the profile, like from one end to the other end. Okay, so what I will do, I will just create some dimension. 20 was my height, and this also supposed to be at the same arc, so I will be creating equal, and this time I will be creating a tangents to this. I want to be tangent. Perfect. Right, the only thing is which I want to connect, maybe at this point, something like that. And in the top also, I don't want to go further, so I will be creating, or maybe this line, this should come like this way. Perfect. And this too should be tangent. Okay, so my Side profile is ready. Similarly, the other profile also have to create. So I have to select the front plane at this made. So I have to select a line and then go for a center, and I'm gonna select this. So this time again, I'm gonna create a 20. So that what happens is this will get match each other, the height which I want to maintain. So this depends on you. Like if you want more height, you can just extend that and then you can try it out, and maybe one smaller, one bigger, like it's a different profile again. So this time what I'm going to do here, I'll be creating a loft. So I'm going to connect with this a perfect profile which we are looking for. So I've been connecting with that. So I'm going to select OK now, and let me hide these things for the time being, and then I'm gonna select the right plane which I want to mirror the surface to the other side. So what I will do, will be selecting again feature. I'll go for a mirror and then body mirror, because this is in the body again, surface body. So I just want to mirror to the another side, so I'm going to select OK. Yeah, perfect. So now what I will do, we can go to the surface. So you'll be learning a surface loft and the mirror surface. Now I'm gonna learn a kit surface, where the surface with night surface will help us to create or combine two surfaces as a single body. So I'm gonna select OK. So now this become as a single body. This two a separate body before, and now it's become a using this night surface. Okay, now the second step could be, I mean, the step could be, I just want to create a surf radius somewhere around 3, we can say. Yeah, so let it be a smooth or curvy uh, to that. Yes, exactly. Now, since we have created a 198 as we did for 200, so again it will be very exactly. So that's why I made in a 198, as you can see here. So now, by keeping this line, what I will do, I'm gonna use a trim option. So this is a standard which we have to use. If you are selecting a sketch, you have to go for the standard. If you have a multiple surfaces, you can use a mutual. So I want to use the standard to remove the surfaces. So I'm just selecting. So this will be a remove selection. So this will be get removed from the selected surface. So now we have done this, right? Cool. So now I have to circular that completely, but before that I just want to create another profile where we have to make it as a more a kind of a skeleton, which you have seen in the thumbnail. So for that, what I will do, I'm going to explain you in another tricky way. So select the top line, go for the center somewhere around 5 could be fine. Yeah, that's what I've used before. So we'll use the same 5 over here, and a circle. So this time I will go for an arc helical spiral. So at this time I will be selecting the spiral option. So it's going to be constant pitch or a variable pitch, maybe constant pitch. What do we have to do? Spherical we have to use, sorry, spiral, sorry. So a 3 or a 5, that's what I used, but 3 what looks okay. And we'll start, yes, 3 almost matching over here, somewhere around 100, right? It's not 100, is not exactly we need, so maybe 50 or even 30. Okay, 30 and 35 should be fine. Yep, exactly, this is what we need. So I'm going to select OK. So we have created a spiral. So this we can convert from the top line, or maybe this we can use it as a, yes. So top line, go for it and use this spline line as a convert entity. Yes. So again, I'm gonna use this line, right, which is gonna be helpful for us. And then this side I will be creating another line, or probably, yes, that will help. So I'm going to trim it now, so which I don't want to take it any risk. So this is my profile which I want to trim it. Let's get trim it one by one. Takes time, but yes. Sorry, oops. Yeah. So this is how we have to trim it one by one, which is not required outside of the geometry, whatever we have created so far, right? So this time we'll hide this as well so that there won't confusions. Hide it, right? Fine. Okay, at the center again, we'll create a center line. I'm gonna create both side 0.5, kind of a bilateral. So then we will have the gap of that. So before that, we will try to remove it, which is not required, so that our task will be easy. So this time I will go like this way, whichever I don't want, I will be removing that. So I know that it will be time consuming, but the same way we don't have another options like kind of surface modeling in other software where we have to do a lot of tricky way to remove this one. So I will be removing this. After that I will be creating another one. So I will just pass for now, and then maybe you can see I don't want to waste your much time, so just pass and then remove it and then come back again. Yeah. So yeah, I have said like I have trimmed this completely at the center of this profile. So now we have to trim the both side of the edge. So I mean both side of that. So this time I will be offsetting the surface, not bilateral, kind of a reverse 0.5 supposed to be. I don't know why this is not getting offsetted. Reverse and select OK. Cannot be offsetted for selected geometry. Not sure why this is not getting offsetted. Because of some reason. Um, okay, no issue at all. We can create an line which will help us to make an offset. It's not a big deal for me. So if the case was like that, so we have to go for a parallel, and same time we're gonna select this to this as a 0.5. Remove 0.5. So yeah, what I will do, I will trim this, which is not required. Yeah, perfect, perfect. I will be removing this and I want to select yes, not an issue. So one end we will create which is not required. So other end will be like this. So this will be as a closed loop, and this also will be closed loop for us. So one side we can make, the other side we can trim it, or we can create a mirror. That could be an options. What I was telling you, mirror will help you to save the time, and you should know aware of like when to use and how to use as a beginner. So intermediate they may be having an idea like an advanced. I'm not an advanced guy, but yeah, still I'm just exploring what are the options to make the users can be simplified the way they want to do that, right? Okay, cool. So almost we are done. Give me a minute. I'm gonna do that. Right. Okay, enough. 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 Right? Enough. And this also I don't want, and this also I don't want. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did a huge mistake, man. Sorry guys. So something I have to undo it quickly. Exactly. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Okay, so this up to here, you may have an idea, like we are just trying it out. So I will be trimming all the surfaces and then come back again so that your time will be get saved. I don't want to waste much. This is what I was trying to show. I've been cutting all these things. So now we could see here the one side. Okay, let me hide this, not required. I don't know why it's still showing. Yes, fine. So this is what one or like kind of a circular way. So this time this side, oh sorry, undo. Okay, let me remove this. It's just not required at all. This also will remove. So just we can do a mirror on the other side so that the timing will be get saved completely, or maybe yes, like this. I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, so one side we have done this profile. So now what you have to do, you have to go to the center line. I'm gonna create a center line. Yes, so I'm gonna mirror this completely to the opposite side of this. I'm gonna select OK. So now what I will do, I'll be using the trim surface, so which will help to remove the surface. But I just this time I just want to keep this rather than removing. I want to select all the surface, so I will just keep this whichever I want. I want to select OK now. So now you will get an output, a fabulous output. Like, yeah, this is how it looks like when you have the flavy or the waviness in the flower design of the one leaf which we have got. So now the time to oh, sorry, front and right line, which will help us to create an kind of an arc at the center. This arc will help us to create a circular pattern over the previous year. Yes, this is an arc and gonna be a body. I'm gonna select this body, right? So I will be selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Clear. So now we have a very good smooth surface which is getting all perfectly matching each other. Again, go to surface, which this will help again. So Control A. I'm gonna select now edge surfaces. So this will be a single body now. So from this time, you can create a thickness to this surface, or however you want. You guys can try it out. So yeah, this is what I thought of showing you for this today's design. So yeah, please do check out, and if you have any clarification, put it in the comment section, or if you can directly mail to me, I'm happy to help on that. Please do support for my future, more designs, so that will help us to boost me. Thank you, have a good day. We'll see you in another interesting video. Until then, bye from Shapeit.